How you doing today? This is BK the FIA, and I'm going to show you how to replace a Dell Inspiron 1501 screen. All you need is a simple precision star head, Phillips head screwdriver, and you're good to go. So this is a very simple, easy process to do, but since there's no other videos out there, I decided to make one for myself. This is your Dell Inspiron 1501. The first thing you need to do, close the laptop, make sure the battery and the power is unplugged, or you could shock yourself. The second thing you need to do is unscrew these two screws in the two corners of the bottom half of the laptop. There's 4 here, but you only need to unscrew 2, because they're connected to the mounting bracket on the screen. Boom, easy. Once you're done with those 2 screws, you're going to lift up the laptop and you're going to see 2 covers, 2 plastic covers for something right next to the connections. You got your VGA connection here, and you got your USB ports and your Ethernet and telephone cord, and next to that's your AC plug. After the AC plug, you're going to see a little black dot. Just lift that up, and underneath it there's another screw. Same thing for the other corner. Now you want to make sure you're doing this in a very well lit, bright table surfaced area so you can put your screws down and you don't lose them. Alright, now that you've got those 4 screws unplugged, then we can go ahead and open this up on the inside. Once again, all I've done was unplug, unscrew 2 bottom screws, and then unscrew 2 backside screws. Now, the next step is very simple. You have to open your eyes for it. This is when you need something that may be other than your Phillips head precision screwdriver. You can take a small knife or a wedge tool and go to the end of the bezel where it says Inspiron 1501. Slide your hand all the way over, and you're going to feel a little niche right there. That's where you can insert your wedge tool and just pop right up. Make sure your laptop's completely open just like this so you can pull this off just like that. It'll snap right off and it snaps right back on again. The next step is unscrewing the keyboard. There's two black screws on the top of the keyboard. Unscrew those 2 and then we can move forward. Alright, that was easy enough, right? Now, you're going to unscrew the bracket, the mounting bracket that mounts this entire screen to your laptop. Very simple. Just unscrew. Alright, now we're almost done. There's 2 small other things that you need to do, but you can't mess this up. So pay very close attention. This is very important. And then we'll be done. Underneath the laptop keyboard, there's several connections that aren't regular screws. This is the ribbon that connects from the motherboard to the screen. It's connected by one screw and one small ribbon that we're going to pull up. This is the WLAN card, also known as the wireless card. There's two leads connected to that you got to pull off. And this is another connection. I'm not sure what that's for, but you got to pull that off in order to remove the screen completely. First, we'll start with the wireless card connections. You just want to wiggle it, and then it'll snap right off. You'll hear it snap just a little bit. If you snap it too hard, you're going to break it. Be very gentle. Just like that, and the LAN card's disconnected. You pull up the other connection, nice, smooth, and easy, and you're all set there. Next, just unscrew the bright silver screw at the bottom of the screen, and the very last step is this blue tab right here. You're going to pull that up very gently, and it's going to pop right off, and then we'll be all set. Boom. There you go. Your screen successfully disconnected. Then you can lift the screen right up, and then you're all set. Now, as you can see here, we've already disconnected the screen that we don't want. All you simply have to do is do the same exact steps I've done in reverse and reconnect all the screws on the bottom and on the back of your laptop, and you should be good to go. Once again, this is BK the Fire here signing off. Shoot me any questions and any messages, and let me know if you guys want me to make something else. We'll see if I got it laying around to fix. Have a good day, guys.